In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress page with our full guide for 2025. Let's get started by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a section dedicated to pages. Click on that and then click on All Pages. Here, you'll find a list of all the pages you have on your site, like Home, About, or Contact. Locate the page you want to edit and give it a click to open it. Now, depending on how your WordPress site is set up, you might notice something else here. Many sites today use popular page builders like Elementor, WP Bakery, or Divi. If your site uses any of these page builders, you'll see an option that says something like Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that option. This will open up the page builder interface. From here, find the specific text element you'd like to change. When you click on it, you can start typing in your new content. After making your edits, always remember to click Update to save your changes. It's crucial because otherwise all your hard work will be lost. Alternatively, if your site is using the default WordPress editor instead of a page builder, the process is slightly different, but don't worry, it's straightforward too. When you click to edit your page, you'll see the familiar WordPress content editor. Here you can click directly on the text you need to change and edit it as you wish. Once you've made your changes, just like before, click Update to commit these edits. Now, a quick tip. Before making these changes live, it's always a sound practice to preview how the changes will look on your site. This is helpful to ensure everything is just as you envisioned it. Most editors have a preview button that lets you see the changes without publishing them right away. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and keep your content up to date, ensuring your WordPress site remains relevant and engaging for your visitors. Enjoy crafting your pages and happy editing!